Everyone is under one pandemic, and this time we are marking the studies of economics, and every country marks their influence in the world trade. And this time, every controlled resource is in the hands of their nation. So every nation has a controlling authority, and that shows a variation in the crisis management of resources. Hereby, I am warmly welcoming you in new phase of learning this economics and economy class, where we will discuss the types of activities performed in economics, and then later how these activities variation of controlling authority have the influence. So we will check it out types of economies also today. So let's welcome each other, and hopefully we will going to have clear explanation of it. Do have physical class.
Dear scholars, warmly welcome you, and today we were going to pursue ahead in the term of economics. Beta, economics, one term. It has an exercise, beta. It performs 4 functions. And these 4 functions are: first, consumption. Second is production. And third is your distribution. And the fourth one is your investment. And these 4 functions marks one control. And that delivers you types of economies. And why it is types of economies is most important, because they have the policies of one nation or a region. Means to say, economics is a term which is comprised of consumption, production, then its distribution and investment.
Hereby, we have learned what 4 activities are performed in economy. They are consumption, production, distribution, and investment. So let's pursue how these 4 activities are controlled by different forces. Let's check.
Hereby, scholars, we have met again, and this time we were going to discuss the second phase which we're discussing earlier, that is economics and its type. So I am writing types here of economics, which we will discuss today. And I am constructing one table for you. Check. And that's not straight constructed because हमें इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ों को describe out करना है. Look. मैंने आपको कहा था we mark the types of economics and types of economies. So I have divided this box in 3 segments as you have seen it. Check beta. The first type of economics and economy is China, which we will discuss. China. Then we will discuss USA. And then own country, India. They mark the 3 nations and they have 3 different economic identities. And this China country mark your identity of controlled and centrally planned. Controlled and centrally planned. USA, market और फ्री मूवमेंट, या आप कह सकते हो फ्री इकोनॉमी है ये. देन इंडिया मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी है. Now you will be wondering why ma'am have written this thing like this. But it is planned like this. Look, when it's China, it is controlled and centrally planned. Means to say everything like your distribution, production, consumption, investment, any activity, it is government control. China marks the identity of government control. सब कुछ गवर्नमेंट के हैंड में है चाइना में. बट reverse of China, USA follows the system and they have demand and supply. सब कुछ market forces है and market forces का मतलब है demand and supply. Market दो चीजों से चलती है, जरूरत और उसकी fulfillment, need and its fulfillment, and that is identity of USA. That's why market and free economy है. It marks the identity of free economy. ये सब कुछ मार्केट के हाथ में, नथिंग इज इन द हैंड्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. देन द नेक्स्ट इज इंडिया. इंडिया मिक्स्ड है. मिक्स्ड क्यों है? बिकॉज वी हैव पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप. पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप है बेटा, इसकी प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप है. अब नाउ अंडरस्टैंड इट लाइक दिस कि मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी है. पब्लिक में BSNL सिस्टम टेलीकम्युनिकेशन में है एंड देन प्राइवेट सेक्टर में आपका जियो, रिलायंस का एयरटेल टेलीकम्युनिकेशन में है. तो प्राइवेट सेक्टर भी टेलीकम्युनिकेशन में है और पब्लिक सेक्टर भी, यानी कि इसके पास गवर्नमेंट भी है. जहां वर्ड लिखा होता है इकोनॉमिक्स में पब्लिक, वी यूज टू राइट गवर्नमेंट. दे बोथ आर साइनोनियम ऑफ ईच अदर. जो चीज गवर्नमेंट की है वो पब्लिक की ऑटोमेटिकली, और जो पब्लिक की है वो गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी है. एंड प्राइवेट सेक्टर मार्क्स यू मार्केट. अब चेक करते हैं, यहां पर सेंट्रली प्लान्ड भी है और यहां पर फ्री इकोनॉमी भी है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इंडिया फॉलोज द सिस्टम ऑफ मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी. सो दीज आर 3 types of economies found in the world, and due to the variation of nation, this marks the identity. So hereby we are concluding it for the next session's meeting. So thank you for visiting.
4 activities of economics and 3 types of variation in the controlling authority describes the various phases of those performance of activities, marks their identity, and this identity means to say that India, China, USA have their force influence and how they control their resources in crisis management. So let's have the vast discussion on them in next phases. Till then, take care. See you again soon.